Fix the red screen tint on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. 6 proven solutions. Step by step.
Is this your screen? A pinkish-red rectangle in the center with no error message.
It usually appears after 2 to 3 months of use, and it is most visible on white and gray content.
Good news. Samsung confirmed it is a software calibration issue, not a broken screen.
Fix number 1. Adjust the screen mode and white balance. Open the Settings app and tap Display.
Then, tap Screen Mode. Select Vivid. Now open Advanced Settings.
Drag the white balance slider toward Cool until the red stain blends into the background. Then set Vividness to maximum for richer colors.
On the right, you can see the difference before and after. Remember, this is a temporary workaround.
It hides the stain with a cooler screen, but it does not remove it. The official calibration comes in fixes 5 and 6.
Fix number 2. Turn off the warm color features. These make the red cast look stronger.
Open Settings and tap Display. Tap Eye Comfort Shield and turn it off. Go back and turn off Adaptive Color Tone.
Next, open Settings, tap Accessibility, and open Vision Enhancements. Make sure color inversion and color correction are both off.
With the warm features disabled, the screen stays neutral and the stain becomes less obvious. Again, this is a temporary workaround, not a permanent fix.
Fix number 3. Turn off Privacy Display. Open Settings, tap Display, and tap Privacy Display.
Turn off the main privacy display toggle. Then turn off maximum privacy protection and clear any per-app auto on rules.
The trade-off: you lose the anti-peak feature. Turning it off may reduce the stain, but it is not confirmed as a cure. The official fix is calibration.
Fix number 4. Use Accessibility Color Correction. Open Settings and tap Accessibility. Tap Vision Enhancements. Open Color Correction and turn it on. Then choose a green tint, because green cancels out red.
Bonus! Extra dim in the same menu helps with bright screens. This is a quick camouflage trick, so turn it off once the official fix arrives.
Fix number 5. The official software update. Open Settings and tap Software Update. Tap Download and install.
Right now, your phone will say your software is up to date because the calibration update has not been released yet.
Samsung announced it in July, and it is expected with the August security patch. So, check back weekly.
This over-the-air update applies the official calibration directly to your phone.
Fix number 6. Visit a Samsung service center. Open Samsung members and tap the Service tab.
Tap Book a visit or find an official service center. Bring your phone and do not worry about the warranty because it is not required.
Ask for the screen calibration service. It is free, it is same day, and it is the official fix available right now.
This is confirmed for South Korea, so check with your local Samsung support in other regions.
Here is the quick recap. Fixes 1 to 4 are workarounds that hide the stain.
Fix 5 is the official update, coming soon. And Fix 6, Service Center Calibration, is the official fix available today.
Workarounds mask the stain, calibration cures it.
So why does this happen? Samsung confirmed it in July. The center of the panel renders too red because of an unoptimized software calibration.
It is not a hardware defect, and it is not OLED burn-in. The suspected trigger is strong ambient light, while the screen runs at maximum brightness for a long time.
The S26 Ultra uses a brand new polarizer-free panel called LED 2.0, which also enables the privacy display feature.
Because the panel removes the polarizer, the software calibration is more complex, and that is suspected to be the weak point.
Some community theories, like adhesive becoming visible under UV light, have never been verified.
Here is the full timeline. Reports first started in March. Samsung confirmed the software fix in July, and the over-the-air update is expected in August.
Workarounds hide the stain, but calibration cures it.
Fix status was checked on August 7th, 2026. Subscribe for more Galaxy Fixes.